Affiliate marketing tips and tricks to help you succeed. There is an abundance of advice on affiliate marketing. A lot of it comes from people who may be trying to sell you their knowledge, or who claim that for a fee they can bring you success. Thus, many people are skeptical about what that read. In this video we give you free, straightforward, no-nonsense advice on making affiliate marketing work for you. A blog will be a regular way for you to interact with visitors, customers and anyone who is involved in your field. A blog sets you up as an expert and allows you to get feedback from the people that you want to buy your product or service. To increase your revenues while acting as an affiliate, it's a great idea to actually market your own products. The great part here is that you don't even have to create it yourself. You can find the resale rights for many great information products and offer them for low prices on your site, or even hold 2-for-1 deals. Use the internet to check the history of an affiliate program prior to signing on with them. It is so important to know who you are working with so you do not find yourself frustrated and angry about not getting the money that they owe you for selling their products. Check with your affiliate programs to see if you can receive test products to review. Some companies don't allow this, but there are many that do. The less money you have to put up front, the better. If they don't offer test products, then you may want to look elsewhere for a company to work with. Internet marketing is one of the best ways to reach a very diverse audience. Years ago you were limited as to who you could reach with your product advertisements. With so many people from all over the world online, you can now market your products, literally, to the ends of the earth. If you are giving a particular affiliate a large amount of business, take some time and see if you can increase your commissions with them. A lot of companies will be willing to discuss an increase, if they see that they are getting a lot of traffic from you. Sometimes the most effective steps you can take to improve your affiliate marketing efforts have nothing to do with your affiliates themselves. Every visitor to your website is another potential customer for your affiliates. Therefore, concentrating on increasing total traffic to your website will have a positive effect on your affiliate programs, even if you do nothing else to improve them. A great affiliate marketing tip is to include reviews of products you wouldn't recommend to your customers. Including reviews of products you wouldn't recommend can be a great way to gain the trust of your customers. You'll be providing them with information that they have a right to know. In conclusion, you do not want to waste your time watching tips from supposed experts or regular people that have no experience. Try to be diligent in your efforts to execute this advice, and you will see an improvement in your program. Student loan.